everyone and welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my very simple everyday look using only 10 products on my whole face. So if you stay tuned, you'll see what that's like. So something that I do normally every single day when I don't want to do or put a lot of makeup on, but I still want to look a little glammed up for some of the days if I just go out or run a few errands. This is something that I'll do. Just keep on watching. This look consists of 10 products and it's my very natural look, so I'll just show you and walk you through. So the first thing that I do is, of course, start with my primer. This is from that one video I'll post it down below where everything was from Aliexpress, and this is just their primer, so I'll put this all over our skin. This is my super easy look that I do normally within like 10-15 minutes tops. It's just really quick, really easy, and it's pretty natural to me. The next thing that I go in with is always my Tarte Shape tape. Now this is a random color, but it helps for the powder foundation to stick on, so what I'll do is just put it all over my skin. So it helps to counteract any type of color on our skin. Next thing I go with my powder foundation. This is the lightest that I have found because I'm pretty fair. So I'll go ahead and buff that all over my skin. For days like this, I try to keep it very bronzy, very neutral, so nothing too over the top. I'll be going in with my powder bronzer and putting that all over my skin, bronzing up my cheekbones and where it needs it most. Done. And I will put a little bit of highlight, and I'm using this tiny Tarte exposed highlighter. And we are halfway done. A few more products and we are completely done. The next thing is obviously to fill in my brows, but like I said, for my skin I like to keep it very neutral, very glowy, very natural, so that will be all that I'll do. So now we'll just fill in our brows. For my brows, I'd like to use the brow definer from Anastasia, and this is in the medium brown. This is one of the fastest ways I feel like you can fill in your brows, and one of my favorite ways. Now this is a very optional, but I like to underline my brows to define them, so I'll take my concealer brush. I know this is like super teeny, but I really love how thin it is, so I will go ahead and fix my inner part of the brow. And that's it. The next two and the final products that I'll be using is of course my eyeliner from Sephora. I always like to do a wing liner, even if it's super natural, to give me a little glam, if you will. Wing liner is very optional. I know a lot of people not do something like this, but for me, it just makes it feel more complete with my makeup look, even though it is very natural, so that's just what I like to do. And the last thing, I'll be going in with my huge Stilla Extreme Lash Mascara because it gives me a lot of volume, extends my lashes, and just gives me extra lashes. Last thing, I will always use some type of balm just for my lips so they're hydrated and not so dry because it's winter months and we know it all gets dry. And my favorite any type of balm has been from Sugar. It's Sephora. This one is in the fresh nude, but I do like the rose scented one. That's one of my favorites because it gives me a little rosy look. And here's our nice fresh natural look. So now you guys know how I do my natural everyday type of look. It takes me really super fast, about 10 minutes every single day if I wanted to do this. Now for the weekends I will do a little more, like a lot more eyeshadow, but as far as for my face, sometimes I'll do this if I don't have a lot of time to put on my makeup, just really quick. And I feel like anyone can do this and still look natural but put together because it doesn't take that much time. Now for most people, you don't always have to put in wing liner because that's just something that I like to do and I do it on my face, but you don't have to.